Hi, this is Richard Ward with MarineMax in North Key Largo. Today we are showcasing this 2016 Scout 275 LXF. This boat is equipped with twin 200 Yamahas with about 300 hours on the motors. If you come on inside, I'll show you the layout of this beautiful boat. This boat has a sink in the rear, a little cooler. You have two live wells. Come on in, I'll show you up front. Your electronics are here. That screen does come down. That one does. You have another cooler here. Boat has a cooler up front, lounge seats. These do come down if a person is not looking to use it. You have a windlass with the controls on for your feet on the deck. Boat's also equipped with outriggers. For a showing on this 2016 Scout, please give MarineMax a call.